Today, I'm going to share how I like to use the Kylie's Professional Mineral Goddess Loose Foundation. Now, if you'd asked me a year ago if I would use a loose powder foundation, the answer would be absolutely not. I was always under the impression that it would make my skin look dry, cakey, and not provide me with the coverage that I like in a foundation. But that is until I was introduced to Kylie's Professional Loose Foundation. This is a high performance powder which blends out so beautifully for an airbrushed natural finish. This foundation is available in 17 shades and it is a buildable formula, so you can apply it as a sheer layer for every day, or you can build it up for full coverage, perfect for occasion makeup, bridal and photo shoots. Now, as someone who does get redness and blemishes throughout their complexion, I do prefer a more full coverage finish. But the beauty of this powder is that it can be buildable. So I like to go in with a single sheer layer and then I build it up, but only in the areas that I need it. This is perfect because it creates a really nice, natural, lightweight finish that doesn't at all look cakey. This powder has been made with the highest grade natural minerals, making it gentle and safe on the skin, perfect for all skin types, including those with allergy-prone or acne-prone skin. Now, I've already prepped and primed my skin, and so I'm going to go in and apply this directly on top. So this would be a dry application. But if you want to mix this with your favorite moisturizer or facial oil, you can turn it into a liquid foundation. So having this flexibility is such a great option, especially if you're a makeup artist. And that is the beauty of the Kylie's Professional range. It's created by a makeup artist for personal and professional use. So to apply, I tap my favorite kabuki brush into the foundation and then tap off any excess. I then swirl the brush in the lid just to get the product all through the bristles, and then I apply to the face in a stippling motion. So I'm going to start with that single sheer layer, and then I can just apply it to the areas where I want a little bit of extra coverage. By stippling the foundation, you're pressing it into the skin for a nice, flawless finish. Now, I've applied that to one side of my face and you can already see what a difference it's made, and that's just with one sheer layer. So I'm going to go ahead now and apply a second layer, but only in the areas that I need it. So that's 2 sheer layers building up only in the areas that I need it. And as you can see, it has disguised those blemishes and redness in comparison to the other side of my face. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest, and then I'll show you the finished result. This loose foundation contains highly concentrated pigments which aren't glittery. So as you can see, it's created the perfect amount of coverage and color, but without adding any shimmer to my look. Once you've finished applying your foundation and you've built it up to the coverage you desire, you can then go in and use your favorite Kylie's Professional Mineral Goddess blushes, bronzers, and eyeshadows to complete your look. Now, as I mentioned, this foundation comes in 17 shades. So if you need any help at all finding the right color for you, please send me an email or a DM along with a makeup-free photo of yourself taken in natural light, and we'll find you your perfect match. The Kylie's Professional Mineral Goddess makeup range is vegan, cruelty-free, and Australian certified toxic-free, making it safe and gentle for all skin types.